Welcome again and welcome to the dive in the beautiful world of X-Mex decoration and crafting ideas making by jute and burlap craft and some old things, taking some old things, some old jars, and you can make it at home what you already have. So viewers, in this video we are sharing some unique and beautiful designs too. Some of these designs are amazing. So, in this festive season, let's explore the beauty of handmade decoration using simple and natural materials like jute, pine cones, and recycled items. Not only are these crafts budget friendly, but they also bring a warm rustic charm to your home. Crafting during Xmas isn't just about decorating, it's about connecting heart and spreading joy. It reduces stress and helps you relax. It brings families together. Kids, parents, and grandparents all enjoy creating something beautiful. Homemade crafts are so friendly and reduce plastic. You can also sell your crafts online at local fairs to earn extra income during the holiday season. Jute is natural fiber that gives a rustic. Jute rope, twine, and fabric can be used for wreaths, table runners, ornaments, and gift wrapping. You can mix jute with lace, ribbons, pines, cones, or fairy lights for a cozy farmhouse look. Here are a few creative ideas. Jute wreath. Wrap a decorating jute with the jute craft and pine cones, berries, and a red ribbon bow. Mini jute trees. Use paper cones, cover them with jute twine and decorate with beads or bells. Candle holder. Wrap glass jars with jute lace and add small ornaments perfect for warm candlelight glow. Cut small pieces cardboard, cover with jute and write heartfelt Xmas message. So this Xmas, grab glass jars with jute lace and add small ornaments perfect for warm candlelight glow. Cut small pieces of cardboard covered with jute and write heartfelt Xmas message. So this Xmas, instead of buying expensive decor, make your own magic with simple things like jute, pine cones, old fabrics, or your imagination. Crafting isn't just an art, it's a way to fill your home with love, creativity, and sustainability. If you like more designs like this, more ideas like this, so be creative, stay connected with us. Welcome everyone to this Xmas season. The holiday season is here, full of lights, brighter, laughter, and love. But nothing makes Xmas more personal and heartwarming than creating your own handmade creation and decoration. Today we will explore Xmas crafts benefits, why jute is one of the best natural materials to use, and many creative ideas you can try at home using simple and recycled items. So grab your jute rolls, pine cones, glue guns, and a cup of hot cocoa. Let's start crafting together. Crafting isn't just about decoration, it's about feelings, the spirit of Xmas from the inside out. When you sit down to make ornaments, your mind slows down. The repetitive motions, wrapping, painting, gluing, calm your thoughts. It's kind of creative meditation. Xmas crafts are fun way to bring Xmas everyone together. Kids, parents, grandparents all sharing laughter, glitter, and glow. Each little handmade decoration holds a memory that stays forever. Eco-friendly and sustainable. By using natural materials like jute, paper, and pine cone, we protect the planet from plastic waste and protect an earthy-friendly Xmas. Budget-friendly and earnable. Handmade crafts saves money, and if you love making them, you can even sell your creations at local markets or online for extra income during the holiday. Jute, also known the golden fiber, add a rustic natural charm to Xmas decoration. It's soft, strong, and has a warm brown tone that matches perfectly with red, white, and green holiday colors. It's biodegradable and eco-friendly. It gives a farmhouse cozy vibe to any decoration. It's easy to shape, glue, or twist. You can mix it with pine cones, dried flowers, ribbons, or lights to make a stunning combination. Types of jute you can use: jute rope, jute fabric, jute lace for decorating. Many types of ideas like that. Hope you're enjoying this very well. Hope you like these designs and ideas. Very well creation, very well ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Wishing you a very happy, beautiful holiday, beautiful crafting ideas. We are trying to bring amazing and unique designs like that. Hope you're enjoying this very well, these designs, because these designs are very interesting and unique for everyone who wants to create and watch something amazing. So wishing you a very happy festival, wishing you a very happy holiday. Keep crafting something amazing, keep crafting new and doing very well. Have a very nice and beautiful journey, an amazing creation. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for your